Welcome guys, Sky Pilot here. Well, today I'm going to be doing a bit of an unboxing. Not of a quad, a drone. Picked myself up another mobile phone today, and also a POETIC mobile phone case. So yeah, should be pretty good. This is the S9 Plus. A ripper bargain. I know the colour's a bit, how you going? It's the lilac purple. No, don't criticise me, it's what it is. It's the lilac purple. I got this for such a good price. That unfortunately wasn't available to the blue or the black, so yeah, hey, I won't tell anybody if you guys don't, so that's bloody awesome, mate. Grouse. So let's get into it and see if it's any good. Okay, so plastic it off. Not sure if you guys know, this is one of Samsung's latest flagship mobiles. I got the 64 gigapixel memory, 6 gig of RAM in all the usual bells and whistles in the new Samsung mobile, which I'm not going to bore you with. So let's have a look at how this comes in its case. So little sleeve there we pop off. A little do not accept if broken. Doesn't look broken, so I shall accept. Not sure why these are really cheap compared to the other ones. Probably because it's a shocking colour, but anyway. Oh, that's pretty cool. So she folds open there. So you got your usual thingy majigamy here. Your little pin tool to put your SIM card in. And I'd say in there we have your standard. Let's open that up. You've got, oh, she comes with a little rubber backing. Didn't know that was there. How about that? Quick start guide. There you go. Little case for the back of the phone. But I've got my own POETIC, so I won't need that. But at least you guys know that you do actually get a little cheapy case with it, should you don't get one on the day. Okay, getting started has never been easier. Right, okay. Well, there's the phone. Oh, pretty weighty. I won't tell you what it weighs because I don't know. So, the phone down here, mounting plate. You got your standard USB adapter, and we have a USB connector. So it's the new, I think it's class 2 USB, so it's not your normal micro USB such as the existing one. Oops, that was done well. The existing one, so you can see they're completely different. So this enables you to plug your USB device into the phone, i.e. live streaming or something like that. So under here we have some nothing under there. Under there we have nothing. So two things with nothing underneath, so I'll put them back. And down this side, what have we got down here? So we have some AKG earphones, and you have your USB charging cable, data transfer cable, and some more different size plugs for your ears. That's about it really. Short, sharp and shiny. Okay, so on the phone itself, see it comes with this lovely plastic coating, which I shall leave on for the minute, and this lovely plastic one on the front. Okay, so of course the S9 Plus has the battery built in, so once the battery goes, the phone goes. So what the phone does with the POETIC is it sits just inside here, like so. Get it down there with a matter of click, 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 and offers a very small fingerprint. So that's it's nicely covered up. When it turns on, you can still use all the features of it. I know I've got the cover on still, so there you have it. And I know it's purple, but it's okay because I'm not actually using this case. I've got another one in the office, so this is the only one I had here, which is actually quite lucky because it matches with the purple pack that I've got, so not to worry. But that's a really cool case, nice and rubbery on the sides, so you can hold it in your hand. Hopefully it won't slip out and fall on the ground. And as I said, it covers the entire phone apart from the rear where the camera is, but it has place down protection. You can access all your bits and bobs underneath here with these pull-up plugs, which just push in there nicely. So it's quite tidy. Allows you access for your USB charging cable, and there are holes in the screen for your cameras, etc. And earpiece. So there you have it. That is the POETIC case. I'll chuck a link in the description if you need to know where to get that from. Otherwise, quick unboxing, quick unveiling, quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, well, I'm going to shoot off and I'm going to go get my blue case because purple's not really my thing. Alright, hey, thanks for watching, thumbs up, drop us a comment, questions, etc. And yeah, thanks for dropping by. See you in the sky. Bye for now.